guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jeff, if you don't already know, and if you haven't already, sub down below for more cool content just like this coming your way on a weekly basis. The more I think about it, the more it comes to topic, so I read and researched it for myself and I wanted to share it with you guys, and that is how to worry less. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into today's video. Whether you're prepping for that interview, or you're going for that big presentation at school, or it may be that crush you've had for some time now. There's lots of things to think about, like what are you gonna wear, what are you gonna do, and what are you gonna say most importantly. I used to be just like this. I used to worry a lot and stress out about unnecessary things. But after reading and researching it and putting things into practice, it really helped me control my emotions and be more productive to be able to start living a healthier, better, easier, less stressful, happy life. So here are my top tips for you guys to worry a little bit less. First one being most important, I believe, and that is to start thinking more positively, not only about your life, but your goals and your dreams, and start putting pen to paper to be able to accomplish what you want to, and getting those negative thoughts and reaffirming the positive and the outcome and the end goal to yourself all the time, every day. Any type of those negative thoughts may come to mind. Number two goes hand in hand with number one, and that is buying or getting some sort of day planner or journal so that you can jot down your day-to-day tasks and or weekly goals, so you can check them off as you go and have more of a constructive outcome on your life and where you want to get to and how you want to get there and the steps it takes necessary to achieve what you guys are going for. Next up, guys, start saving for your futures. As studies show, in today's world, 78% of people, according to Forbes magazine, don't have a savings account or any type of savings, and they live paycheck to paycheck. Putting little by little each month away will help you have an emergency fund set aside for those unexpected costs and or things that may come up. And of course, it's a huge weight lifted off your shoulders when you guys have something like that in place for that rainy day or that special occasion of when something unexpected arises. Next up on my list to help you guys worry less and live a more productive life is thinking of or putting yourself in the worst situation. I mean, what could happen, as an example, if you don't get that job? There's so many other opportunities out there that you can go for that may be better suited for you either way. And or say you don't get a chance to go on that date with that girl that you really liked. You're still alive, you're still breathing, and there's so many other girls and or guys, if you're into that, of course, that you can go and talk to or that will have more of a deeper level of connection with. So putting yourself in that situation where you think of the worst thing that could happen and have no expectations of the outcome gives you the confidence and the go-ahead and the willpower to do what you guys need to do on a day-to-day basis. Lastly on my list, guys, I've been blessed to be able to do my whole life, and that is being in the game of sport and being active. There are so many different benefits that allow you to set goals and stay focused. Whether you're playing competitively or just for fun, there's definitely something out there for all of you, and I highly recommend you guys get into something. On top of the obvious of losing weight, when you're playing sports and or being active, your mind itself releases endorphins and dopamine, giving you that feel-good moment instantaneously, making you feel better just like that. On top of all that, you're going to reap the benefits of so many other things, like lowering your blood pressure, increasing your balance and your flexibility, lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes and some cancers, and most importantly, you're going to strengthen your bones, your muscles, and your joints themselves. And as an added bonus, you guys are going to gain and meet so many new people like yourselves. That does it for me today, guys. Thanks again, as always, for watching. Sub down below for more cool content just like this, and give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time.